So you want to be a leader, or you are a leader, right? Okay. Let's take a step back and talk about authentic leadership. In our book, Discovering Leadership and Understanding that it's a choice, means that we want to do it, not that we have to do this. And it's not about the money. I mean, the money could come, it's true, but it's about, if you really want to talk authentic leadership, it's about making a difference. And the three building blocks of leadership: authority, not I tell you what to do authority, but authority in the sense of, I mean, it could be I tell you what to do, but it's authority in the sense of you're on point. You're on your game and people know that. And they know you're going to bring them to a better place than where they are to accomplish a goal, a task, or whatever it is, or make yourself a better person. But there's something in that leader, that authentic leader. There's some characteristic or some trait that followers want, so they stick with the team. Perfect example of that would be Steve Jobs. Boy, they say sometimes he was pretty brutal. He was quite a tyrant. I hate that word, but despite the fact that sometimes it could be very unpleasant, he had a passion that sometimes tears would come to his eyes. He felt so strongly about something. But the thing is, he wanted to make a difference. He was the real deal. And that's what authenticity is about. So getting back to my earlier points, authority. The second one is accountability. A lot of times things go right, you want to take the credit, things go wrong, it's somebody else's problem. They screwed up. You didn't. Somehow you always found a way to land on your feet. That's not authentic leadership. And the hundreds of people that I've talked to over 30 years that have called themselves leaders, most of them had traits of authenticity because they were accountable. When things went right, you know who got the credit? They didn't. The team did. They were the catalyst, as they say. They were the people that drew the roadmap to make others successful. When things go wrong, when they don't go right, they take the hit. They don't blame it on other people or the team. Because remember, every leader is only as good as his or her team. From the weakest link to the strongest point. I think that a good reflection on authority and accountability talks to responsibility. We are responsible for those that we lead because we are part of those that we lead. Our successes and our failures are based on those that we lead. So I wanted to concentrate this particular week in Volume 2 on authenticity. And I talked to a lot of different leaders over the years, some older, some younger. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to share this week an interview that I had with my co-author, Ken Strong. I respect Ken in so many ways. And why we came together after writing our book over, oh gosh, almost 10 years ago on leadership as a choice was because he was the real deal. He was the authentic leader. So I interviewed him for one of my college classes in leadership. And I asked him a lot of questions about his perspective of authentic leadership and how he came through the ranks, how he came through the trenches, learning the hard way. So I would look for you to follow up somehow by giving him information and responding to his blogs that he puts on our on our website, choicetolead.com. And give us some of your perspectives. Give us some ideas of how you think we can help you and your team to be authentic leaders. Because it all starts with that. Have a great week. John DeGigo.